Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a laundry stripping. I've been watching a few videos on YouTube where you put your laundry in the bath and strip all the extra sort of soap residue and any other sort of oils and stuff that don't normally get out during the normal wash. So what we're going to need is we're going to need some borax, some baking powder, just some normal laundry powder. Now this is all the items that I want to try and whiten. I find that sometimes that my washing starts to go a little bit sully and a little bit grey. So I'm going to strip it in the bath and then we're going to do some laundry whitening later on. So all these are currently supposed to be clean, but obviously they do look a little bit grey, and yeah, they just seem to, over an amount of time, just seem to go grey, especially on the bra at the bottom there. I always get a bit of fake tan on, never quite get it as clean as when it is when I first bought it. So we're going to add about half a cup of washing powder and then 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, and also we're going to have 1/4 of a cup of the borax, but I've just got the borax substitute, so I'm going to put that in the bath. Make sure the water is as hot as possible. Give that a swish round, and then we're going to leave that now. We're going to pop all the stuff in now, and then we'll be leaving it for an hour to start off with, so we'll let it soak and do its magic. So I'm going to just make sure that everything's covered in the solution and poke it down with my wooden spoon. And already the water's starting to look a little bit grey looking. But we're going to leave it for an hour now. So this is after 4 hours. Yeah, it's just been soaking. Some of it does look a little bit whiter, but obviously my tea towels are still looking a little bit on the grey side. The water is looking a bit murky, as you can see. It is looking a little bit dirty and a bit grim, to be honest. So my bra is looking a little bit whiter. It'd be nice to get everything sort of like that sort of colour. This colour is the colour that I want everything to be, and this is my bedding, which looks grey. So I'm going to squeeze this out now, and we're going to go on with the Brilliant White Repair. Right, so I've got my washing, and I'm going to be using this Dylon Brilliant White Repair. So hopefully this will get it completely white. So I'm going to stick this in the washer now, and I'm going to also do it on a pre-wash as well, just to see if that helps. So they come in these little sachets that I was meant to put in the washer at the back, so I'm just going to shove it at the back there. I'm going to use some Oxy Vanish as well. I want to try and get this as quick as possible, so I'm going to do a pre-wash. So I'm going to put that into, I'm going to stick a few of these beads in as well, just to make it smell fresh. Shove that in the drawer, in my detergent jar, which is this one, and a big scoop of the Oxy Action in the pre-drawer, the pre-wash drawer. And now I'm also going to be using this. I'm not actually fond of it because it keeps making my drawer a bit clogged up, and I have tried to sort of water it down a little bit, but I'm kind of not getting on with it at the minute. But it's all got that now, so right, I'm doing the daily wash cycle because I want it at 40, I want it at 60, sorry, so it's at 60. I'm going to up the load to 3 loads because there's quite a lot in there. It's at highest temperature, and I'm going to do a bubble wash and also a pre-wash, which is this little symbol here. Yeah, that's 2 hours and 3 minutes. So let's hope this comes out crystal white. So the washer is finished, so let's check this washing out. Wow. Let's have a look. Wow, looks a bit brighter, doesn't it? That was a pair of socks. They look a little bit brighter. So, let me just pull out some more. How does that look? Looks quite good, doesn't it? Looks quite clean. Definitely looks a little bit cleaner, less grey. Excuse the worktop, I did actually clean in here this morning, but I've just had everything out, all the cleaning products, because I've not finished, so I will be tidying this up. Really happy with that. That's done a really good job of making your whites whiter. So I don't know whether you need to do the stripping at the front, but obviously I've seen loads of people doing it and I wanted to have a go myself. It did take a little bit of like residue out at first, so but yeah, I definitely recommend these Dylon Brilliant White Repair. They're really good. Yeah, and they do make them look whiter, especially if you've had a bit of an accident with your washing. So yeah, so that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.